Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and yesterday I did a video using 2019 about the fish scales in the interactive fill tool. And if you look right here, there's a little icon box that says postscript. It even says PS. And you click on that and you get fish scale. Well, he commented on an email that he has 2018 and he doesn't have that. Well, he does, it's just hidden. So if you go to the interactive fill tool and go right here you've got fish scales. They've kind of changed up the menu right here and turn them into fish scales. So 2018 and below, you have it, but it's just in a different spot. So I even look back to like 2006 or X16, and it's in that same spot. It's a little bit different, they made it a lot better, so because this is not highlighted out, but if you click on the post fill or click right here, or maybe even to edit fill, and then you can change and have grass, landscape, whatever you want. Octagons, patio, that's pretty cool. Let's see what that looks like. Well, that's a pretty cool design. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.